Let's kick off my M&S Remarksable Meal Planner with chipotle chicken thighs and herby rice. Now, I love spice, and this tangy, smoky chipotle chili paste can turn simple stuff into something special. I'm gonna mix half a jar of this with the zest of some lime and some oil. Mix it together, and then we're gonna add our chicken thighs. Just give them a good mix. Place into the pan, skin side down, okay? But it'll take around about 5 to 6 minutes until they start to get crispy and golden. We're gonna scatter on the top of the chicken sliced red pepper. We're gonna add loads of coriander, stalks and all. We're gonna add to it some lime juice, some oil, and some seasoning. Thinly slice the avocado, and we're ready to serve. And that is my chipotle chicken thighs with herby rice. And you can get the shopping list and all the ingredients from M&S. And any of these leftovers will make a great burrito bowl for lunch, because we're all about reducing waste with these recipes.